Hi! In front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions on this device. Firstly, go into Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Privacy section over here. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options, like for example, location. Now you need to tap on one of your apps, in my case Facebook, and click on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so now when I click on the back button, as you can see, Facebook no longer has access to my device's location. If you want to, you can always go back, select any feature, like Files and Media, and tap on one of your apps that you wish to control. In my case, maybe Google Play Store. Now click on See all Google Play Store permissions instead, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!